Alright, I have to check the angular, stuff like that. It's for only video we've recorded on the GoPro so far. I just got it working again. I hope you can't see like my whole stomach and stuff like that. I'm trying to make sure that you can like see the stuff in front of me. Alright, so today we are going to be explaining the understanding of the church and God from a Jungian understanding, right? So William Branham, in the sermon, I think it's, Satan's Eden, said this: "It's the woman, the church, that leads him astray, not the Bible, the man. The Bible tells you not to." What does he mean by this? So he's talking about Revelations 17:3. I think it's 3. It might be 9. The verse, the mother of harlots, the whore. Right, explaining that the woman is the church. Which, get this, Jung, Man and His Symbols, page 200. Hear me out, that was Hitler. No, page 194, talking about a dream a man has where he's in a church. And he says, wait. Pretty much he says that the church is a symbol for the anima and for women, right? So what does this mean? What do we derive? Why is it feminine, right? I'm going to be redrawing this and explaining it. So here's the thing that you have to understand is masculine and feminine symbol principalities, right? So what is the feminine? The feminine is the lunar unconscious, right? Why is it lunar? It's just, that's been the symbol for all of antiquity, right? So pretty much feminine, lunar, it's chaotic, unconscious, and passive, right? It's like implementation and stuff like that. Masculine is solar, active, conscious, right? It's like the law, and it's the same throughout time. So let's do it. So church. Right? Here's the church. The church is the lunar, the woman, right? This has been the symbol for all of time. What is the church guided by? How does the church know what it's doing? Because the bird. It's so bad. I really don't draw, guys. What is the bird? The Holy Spirit. Right? So the church must be guided by the Holy Spirit. It is the only way. And it's feminine because it's collective, right? You go to church and you listen to the teachings. You're putting your faith into someone else to guide you, right? That's like a woman, when she's raised, she has to have her faith in the men in her life to lead her, right? We see this from a young age in women because they kind of are very father-oriented. Why did it stop? Did I just record that whole last piece? Okay, I don't know what just happened. It just cut out. So, it's collective. Women are led from a young age, and it's just their nature to be led. That's just the truth. And men have the nature of leaders, right? So we also see this in women's psychology, that we saw this with the Roman Empire trend, that women think about conversations and they think about things that they were told, and men think about concepts, right? And the Bible is the concepts for the man to be thinking of, right? Because what's in it? The law. The law, it's unchanging, right? The Bible is solar. It's active. Go do this. Do not do this. You're supposed to meditate and reflect on it. It's conscious, right? What is the Bible led by? Well, the Bible is the Word, right? Jesus is God. Jesus said, I am the Word. Logos incarnate, right? Logos meaning Word. So the Bible is created and pretty much written by God. God inspiring people, right? He's happy because he's God and he's the light, right? So this is why the church is the whore, because God is unchanging, right? You look in the Bible, you look in KJV, you look in whatever antiquity Bible you like, not the Message or something like that where it's like all changed and stuff like that. I really hope that this is still recording, right? You look at it, it's unchanging throughout history. We've been reading KJV since the 1600s or whatever, 1700s, something like that, right? And it's masculine principle. It really is. I also find that men typically study the Bible a lot more than women. Women like the prayer, relationship stuff, God the Father guiding them, which is the Holy Spirit, right? Because God, Holy Spirit, Jesus, 3 in 1, 1 in 3. Anyways, so when you have the good church that actually has the Holy Spirit, because this is the thing, a lot of them don't, right? When the Pope goes out and he says, yeah, guys, hell doesn't exist, that is no Holy Spirit, right? Pope is without it. Give the bird an eye. Such a stupid looking bird, bro. There we go. So what happens when they're both good? What happens when the church actually has the Holy Spirit guiding it? The collective principle, when it's guided by truth. What do you get? You get CONJUNTIO principle, which means the sacred marriage. And we see historically, how do you grow closeness to God? How do you peak in it? What do you need? You need the Bible, but not just the Bible, right? The Bible, you learn God. If you want to get to know Him, read the Bible. The Holy Spirit guides your actions and sensations and stuff like that. I should go talk to this guy right here, you know? And then obviously the Bible includes the teachings of Jesus Christ, which are very important, right? It's not like we're leaving him out of this, because he is a large part of the Bible, especially in the way it's taught, right? And so then you get the sacred marriage of union with Christ, right? Because, check me out, we're going to go back to the Jung notes. Check me out, there's testosterone. Wait, hear me out. Hear me out. I know, guys, it's looking really schizo. Just to relax. Okay. 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 CONJUNTIO. Whoa, wait. What is it? The union of personality and soul. Christ and his church. Christ is soul. Church is Luna. Bam. Bam. Because they're very different, the Christ and the church, right? Very different things. But you get the sacred marriage when they come together, right? Look, there they are. Okay. It's very, very important that you have both with balance and stuff like that, but the church without. Man, there's so many notes. The church without the Holy Spirit becomes the whore, right? And Branham breaks this down in this sermon, because she's the mother of harlots, right? Because she goes, Catholic Church, Schism, Eastern Orthodox, Lutheran, breaks off from the Catholic Church, right? Because she's the mother. And she's making all these whores. And pretty much this is why I said in my last video, the live stream, that I'm renouncing denominations because they're of the devil. Because it's true. She's the whore. She's not doing things right. She's supposed to be married to God, but she's married to Satan. Right? And so that's why she's the whore. And then she created Lutheranism, which went to Protestantism. Okay, sorry. Right? So she's the mother of harlots, and that's why I'm not a Baptist. I'm not any of this stuff. I'm a son of God. That's what I am. Anyways, it's supposed to be a very short video. My GoPro's gonna die soon. Let me know what you guys think about the GoPro videos, because everyone's like, bro, your quality on your computer camera is horrible. And like, yeah, I know, bro. Yeah, I'm not a special guy, bro. I'm not that like me and God aren't like, you know, like, I mean, we are. But anyone could do this. Anyone. God just allows me to spread word. Stuff like that. And to be interested in the stuff I know and stuff. None of it can be done without him. It's literally all him. I don't mean to seem prideful, ever. Pride is arrogance, bro. That's the truth. Yeah, but sacred marriage principle and magnetism and stuff like that is one of the most universal things to exist that Jung speaks about. It's absolutely genius. Yeah, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me look at the exact verse really quick. I'm like 99% sure it's not verse 3. Oh, no, stop. Bro, this is so hard to flip pages with one hand. Wait. It's 17 something. Bro, how did I flip past it? 17. Oh, not 3, bro. Not 3 at all. Oh, bro, I'm looking at 16. What am I doing? Great prostitute mentioned in verse 1. It's verses 4, 5, and 6. 17 verses 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, that's all, guys. Here's the thing with the Holy Spirit and stuff like that. As I said in my live stream, how do you know if you have the Holy Spirit? If you bear the fruits. Do you bear the fruits? Narrow is the gate, few shall enter. I love this like kind of fisheye type. It's so good, bro. It's so good. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go do some reading, probably some Jung study. We're so back, bro. We're so back. I love this like dualistic stuff that I have going on too, where it's like I'll hit the psychology, which most people think is incompatible with Christianity, but that's lies. And then I'll hit, bro, this is such a crazy looking page, dude. I really hope you guys could see what I was doing, because I really don't know how well you could. Okay, it's at 1%. That's all. Peace, boys. God bless. Thanks for listening.